How to download and install Walmart application on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download or install Walmart application on Android. So first thing, simply head over to your Play Store, and from over here just click on search, and you can type on the search bar. What you need to search is just click on Walmart on your keyboard just like this, and you can see once you're searching for Walmart, there is an application called Walmart Event. So simply select it. So once you click on it, you will be seeing this option called install. So once you click on install, you have to wait for some time for it to download and install, and just like this you can simply click on this open button to open the application. And once you successfully download and install the application, simply click on the application itself, which will redirect you to this page, and you can follow the on-screen instruction to successfully log in or sign into your account. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.